It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today, for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be doing chicken noodle casserole. Daniel found this recipe and thought it'd be good. You'll need 2 cans of chunk chicken breast drained, or what I have here is 3 cups of rotisserie chicken. You could also cook you some chicken and have, this for whatever leftovers you have. You'll need 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, 2 cups of shredded cheese. I just shredded up 1 block, 8-ounce block of cheese, and it was 2 cups. 1 stick of salted butter, 1 cup of milk, 12 ounces of egg noodles, and you want to cook these and drain them. 1 cup of mayonnaise, and it calls for 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. I don't have that, so we're going to just use some Ritz crackers crushed up. It also calls for 1.5 cups of frozen peas and carrots. I don't have that either, so I'm not going to use that. And also, I haven't got this here. I'm going to do that real quick. 1/2 onion, finely diced. This is optional too, or you could use 1 tablespoon of dried onion flakes. I'll have the recipe down below. The first thing I'm going to do is cook the egg noodles. Okay, the noodles are done. I've got them drained here. I'm going to let them cool for a minute while we mix up the rest of the stuff. Okay, we're going to stir in the chicken, the milk, mayonnaise, shredded cheese, and the cream of chicken. And the onions. Then we're going to stir this up real good. Now we're going to add the noodles. And try to get this stirred up. I probably need a bigger bowl. Maybe not. Okay, here it is stirred up. I'm going to set that back. I've got a 9 by 13 baking dish, and I've sprayed it. You can grease it with whatever you want. Let's pour that in. Just get it fitted into the pan. Try to get all we can out of there. Can't leave that cheese in there. Now we're going to take our breadcrumbs, just sprinkle them, or cracker crumbs is what we have. And our butter, we've melted the stick of butter, and then you just pour it all over the cracker crumbs. Now we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes until it's bubbly and the top is golden brown. Here it is out of the oven. I'm going to let this cool just a little bit because it's probably very hot. And then we'll plate it up and give it a taste. Okay, here we have it plated up. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Okay. Jump in there, bud. Come on now.
That's good.
Need to get you some chicken in there.
There we go.
I'll give it a try too. I ain't afraid to dig in.
That's good.
Delicious.
Definitely a keeper.
That's good. All right, keeper
Delicious.
then.
Yeah.
All right.
It's definitely a keeper.
Well, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Holman's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Holman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holman's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Holman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holman's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Holman's homestead.